Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will compare Neon White versus Ultrakill. Both are incredibly popular, fast-paced first-person shooters, but they offer very different experiences. Neon White blends speedrunning with a unique card-based combat system and platforming, while Ultrakill delivers relentless, retro-inspired action with a strong emphasis on aggressive movement and style. We'll dive into their distinct gameplay mechanics, art styles, and overall feel to help you decide which might be your next favorite game. Neon White's core gameplay revolves around clearing levels at breakneck speeds, utilizing weapon cards that double as movement abilities like double jumps or dashes. Ultrakill, on the other hand, encourages constant aggression. You regain health by splattering enemies with their own blood, pushing you to stay in the fight. Neon White also features a visual novel story, offering a narrative alongside its action, whereas Ultrakill focuses purely on arcade-style combat and high scores. Visually, Neon White presents a vibrant, anime-inspired aesthetic, complete with character interactions and a central plot that drives the game forward. Ultrakill opts for a distinct low-poly, retro-futuristic art style, reminiscent of classic 90s shooters, with its lore primarily conveyed through environmental details and subtle hints. The atmosphere in Neon White is often lighthearted with dramatic turns, while Ultrakill maintains a consistently intense and brutal tone throughout its levels. So, which is better? Neon White shines for players who love precise platforming, puzzle-like level design, and a compelling story woven into their speedrunning. Ultrakill is the perfect choice for those craving relentless, high-octane combat, deep movement mechanics, and the satisfaction of mastering stylish kills. Ultimately, the better game depends entirely on your personal preference for a speedrunning first-person shooter, as both offer hundreds of hours of replayability.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.